That's awful. Oh, weird. Is it not a fan?
It does taste like sparkling water without...
That's so weird. Like off sparkling water.
Have you seen Divergent? Adventure time. Yeah, I don't think this is going to end well. You know what? Maybe don't, because you've got white trousers on.
There's wobbly! What was I gonna do? Oh, imagine going down there. Okay, then wait.
Right, let's go.
Crazy. I've never seen so much in my entire life. Oh my god. What's going on? Wow. Oh, that stinks.
Yeah,
This is like the older stuff, right? Imogen's not a fan. It's fermented, did you say? Just covered in grease now. This is never ending. Hey! Oh, look at this. There's a golden one. Finish the museum that we've been given. I know, I'm buzzing about the wine. Imogen's thriving. Loving it.
You're wanting some meat. Are you wanting some meat, puppy? Oh yeah.
Ah yeah, hello.